Hey, this is Matt with Qubed Peas. I'm here to show you how to revolutionize the way that you write applications for the web. This is going to allow you to release faster with fewer bugs and have far more maintainable code in the end. It really is an amazing thing. Hang on for the ride. One of the biggest challenges with writing JavaScript applications today is all the moving parts. There's resources to manage, image files to deal with, sprite sheets, CSS collisions, HTML includes, bootloaders, CSS files, build scripts, version control, test data, test systems, test cases, object namespaces, third-party libraries. It really is a long list. Because of that, a lot can go wrong, and developers have to think about all of it all the time, instead of thinking about the problem at hand. Qubed Peas set out to change this by rethinking the way we manage projects altogether. It turns out, not thinking of everything all of the time is the key. To do this, everything in your patch, everything you write, is a component. In fact, components are at the heart of Qubed Peas itself. As a result, changes in one part of your system don't have wandering impacts in other parts. And you can work within one part without having to worry about having changes elsewhere surface. And you, in fact, don't even need to understand all of those other parts of your system. And this is really helpful when you want to make a very fast change that you can test completely and release with confidence. It's also very helpful when you want to bring on a developer who may not completely understand your system yet, and they can immediately be helpful. Since everything is a component, these components can be composited together in many different ways to create a variety of different products. In fact, since everything inside of your patch is already a component, every part of your patch can already be released as a product. But it's by isolating the parts of your system as components that Qubed Peas brings its biggest benefit, and that's focus. Finally, a developer can focus on what they're working on, rather than thinking about everything. Check out QubedPeas.com and watch more of the videos to get a little bit deeper. I know you're going to fall in love.